In our previous videos, we've introduced a few new interior things to our Alfa Romeo Giulia. If you want any of these, they'll be all on the channel. But we got a new addition today, and it is this. It looks pretty cool, and if you can guess where it goes, well, okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. It goes in your center console. Woo! So we already have some things here. But we wanted to give the shifter some love. Oh, by the way, check that out. The little Italian flag right there. We wanted to give it a little more love though. Also wanted to cover up some scratches that are on this because it's like a gloss piano black. So it shows these scratches like crazy. Alice thought it was a really good idea and she picked these up. We're gonna put them on today. They basically just go on these three and they are Alfa Romeo logos. This one goes here. This one goes here. This one goes here.
Right here? Is it straight?
If it looks straight. Woo!
That looks pretty straight, yeah.
This one does not matter which way you install it in because it just rotates. That's nice. But you definitely want to make sure you press it down for sure. Especially around the edges.
It feels nice because it's kind of,
it's like a...
it's raised.
And this one we have to get centered because this one does not move. Okay, I think that looks good to me. Okay.
I like how it feels. It's like a button.
Yeah, it's got a kind of rubbery texture. I think that's the epoxy layer on top of it. It feels really good. Let's center this one. Wait, does it have to be centered? No, this one moves too, but we want it centered like...
on the button itself.
Yeah.
That looks good. You want me to just push it down?
Yeah, just push it.
There.
Teamwork.
I like that it gives it a little bit of dimension.
Absolutely.
It's probably my favorite because the serpent eating baby is so big.
I seriously feel like after you drive, before you get out of the car, you're just gonna like doop, doop, and center them 100%. These look great.
Crazy packaging.
The plastic is so strong. We got defeated by a bag earlier, and then we vowed to never let that happen again. Oh! Oh my gosh, okay. I think that's good, yeah. Push it down. I think we finalized, we set. I really like that because it kind of matches with the last mod we did, which is having the Italian flag right here. And it matches the Italian flag on the side right here and right here. So we have this one, and then can we put the other one like up here? Ooh, yeah, let's do that. This one, it like circles, it curves at the bottom, and this one kind of curves at the top. Girlfriend's got that precision. It looks right to me. So this is our new center console. We've done a lot in terms of the different things we've added. And just for fun, I'll have everything in the description below, the like button. I'm gonna call these the top knobs, the bottom knobs, and then I'll just call these Design Plus. That just go along here. If you can think of any other mods you would like to see us try out on our Giulia, or if you have any you prefer, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so you see our full build on this. We got a lot more crazy stuff coming that's not just decoration. We're gonna put an exhaust on it.
Yeah!